Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping into a huge shift happening in the world of online business. Seriously, it's a change that's leveling the playing field for everybody. We're talking about a brand new way to build a business, one that leaves the old saturated models in the dust and plugs you directly into the power of today's tech. So let's just start with this bold statement, right? Think about models like dropshipping or Amazon FBA. They absolutely had their moment, no doubt about it. But the honest truth is that first mover advantage is long gone. The space is crowded, the competition is fierce, and the rules have completely changed. It's time for something new, something that gives you the edge again. All right, so here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to walk through this exact 5-step playbook. We'll break down how you can create and sell digital products in this age of AI, from finding that killer idea all the way to building a business that lasts. So let's dive right into step 1. The new digital gold rush. First things first, why is this opportunity just exploding right now? Well, all those barriers that used to stop 99% of people from even starting, the sky-high costs, needing to be a tech genius, the sheer complexity of it all, they're gone, completely vanished. And you know what the engine behind this massive change is? It's artificial intelligence. It's moving at a speed we've never seen, and it's acting as the great equalizer. It's not about who's the best coder or who has the deepest pockets anymore. Now, it's all about knowing which tools to use and having a clear playbook to follow. And listen, this is not just some random hype. This is a powerful prediction from a major leader in the AI world. And it really just highlights the incredible scale of the opportunity in front of us. We're talking about the potential for wealth creation that rivals the dawn of the internet itself, but it's happening on a much, much faster timeline. Okay, so this is the big question, right? Where do you even start? How do you land on an idea that's actually going to sell? Well, it all kicks off with topic selection. This is the absolute foundation of your entire business, and trust me, getting this part right changes everything. You've basically got 2 paths you can go down here. First, you can tap into your own skills and expertise. And you got to remember, you don't need to be the world's #1 expert on something. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. The second path? You can let AI do all the heavy lifting for you by analyzing market data to pinpoint ideas that are already proven to be profitable. Now, here's the most important part. Don't just guess. You have to validate your idea. You can do this by digging around on platforms like ClickBank. Look for products with a high gravity score. That's just their term for a product that a ton of other people are already selling successfully. Big green light. Next, go play detective in the Facebook ads library. If you see an ad that's been running for months, guess what? It's making money. And the coolest part? You can now use AI tools to automate this entire research process, saving you an incredible amount of time. All right, let's get into a step that might feel a little backwards, but it is so powerful. Before you spend even 1 second creating your product, you're going to build the storefront for it. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but this is the secret sauce to testing ideas super fast with 0 risk. And this right here, this brings us to the single biggest reason this is such a golden opportunity. Unlike the physical product world, which is totally saturated, the digital world has this fundamental imbalance between supply and demand. It's a huge gap in the market, just waiting for someone like you to fill it. Just look at these numbers. This is from just one digital product platform. You have over 500,000 customers actively searching for solutions to their problems, but only 10,000 sellers are out there providing them. This isn't just an opportunity. It's a massive glaring gap between what people want and what's available. You can be the one to bridge that gap. I love this analogy because it perfectly illustrates how low risk this model is. Think about it. You can test your ideas fast with just a simple store page. If an idea doesn't hit, what have you lost? A little bit of time, that's it. You haven't wasted months building something nobody wants. You just spin again with a new idea. The only way you can possibly lose at this game is if you stop spinning. So, your store is set up, you've validated your concept. Now you need the most critical ingredient of all, traffic. Because let's face it, you could have the best product in the world, but it's completely useless if the right people never ever see it. So, how do you get those eyeballs on your offer? We focus on what we call the traffic trifecta. It's a powerful combo of 3 core methods. You start with low-risk influencer arbitrage, then you scale up with paid ads, and finally, you build a long-term asset with organic content. You kick things off with influencer arbitrage. This is just partnering with smaller influencers on a commission-only deal. It's genius because it gets you that crucial proof of concept with $0 spent on ads upfront. Once you've proven you have a winner, you can reinvest those profits into paid ads to really scale your growth. And then you build out your organic social media content to create a traffic source that's sustainable for the long haul. Okay, let's bring this all home. You've got a validated idea, you have a traffic strategy that works. So how do you take that initial spark and turn it into a true money printing machine that works for you around the clock, 24/7? The whole philosophy here is about progress, not perfection. You start by launching what's called a minimum viable product, or an MVP. This could be something as simple as a short ebook. The goal is to get it out there fast and get that all-important proof of concept. Once you prove that people will actually pay for it, then you can invest more time and energy into building it out and making it even better. And you have to remember this, that very first sale, it changes everything. It is the ultimate proof of concept that just opens the door to everything else, because this whole system is built to scale. The exact same process that gets you one sale can be amplified to get you 10, then 100, and then way beyond that. So look, the roadmap is right here. The gap in the market is real, and the AI tools to make it all happen are at your fingertips. There's no such thing as the perfect time. The best time to start was yesterday, and the second best time is right now. So the only real question left is the one right there on your screen. Thanks for watching The Explainer.